One misconception I had coming into my college career was that if you went to a small university, you may not have access to the same technology as if you were at a larger institution, but that has it's not really been my experience at Trine. I've had access to every lab in the building since my first day here. Doors are open, and in there you've got oscilloscopes, signal generators, signal analyzers, entire labs dedicated to material analysis, casting metals, entire labs dedicated to various different manufacturing processes, an electrical machines lab in the EE department. It's great to have access to those kinds of things that allow me to further my experiences in the classroom and find maybe some more pragmatic applications.
At Trine, students don't just learn about cutting-edge technology, they get to use it. Your support on Trine Day keeps state-of-the-art labs and equipment accessible, giving students the hands-on experience they need to lead, succeed, and serve. Join us on Trine Day, April 25th through the 26th. Learn more at trine.edu/Trine Day.